everybody, I just got a pro-colored DTF printer. And this is how big companies print iron-ons for t-shirts, and now you can do it at home. When I first got the printer, I went crazy, and I printed 150 t-shirts at least. I started getting low on supplies. Well, as fate would have it, CenDale sent me some DTF ink, some film, and DTF powder. CenDale is an amazing company, really fantastic prices, and a great resource if you're doing DTF printing at home and you're going through a lot of ink and film. I'm definitely going to keep using them. Here's my DTF printer and curing oven, and here is my ink from CenDale. I am so glad they sent me 2 bottles of white because every print has a layer of white printed over the back, and it's the color that you run out of first. This is a very large bag of DTF powder, much bigger than what I've been able to order before. This includes 5 syringes to help pull the ink through the printer. I'm just refilling, but I do need these for later in case my printer gets clogged, or you will need them if you're filling your printer with ink for the first time. Finally, I got 328 feet of their premium DTF transfer film. I printed so many t-shirts already and went through the film that came with my printer, so this came just in time. This film features a glossy back and matte print side for easy differentiation. The first thing I'm going to do is replace the transfer film. This is pretty easy actually, just thread it on the roller bar and thread the film through the printer. Now it's time to shake up the ink. Do this before you remove it from the plastic vacuum sealed packaging. CenDale also included some gloves, and you probably want to wear them just because the ink can get messy if you're not careful. The neatest way to open your ink is to clip off the tip first, then unscrew the cap and poke a small hole in the protective foil. If you're at a different altitude, it can spray, so poke a tiny hole first. Carefully unscrew the corresponding ink lid in your printer, then refill the ink. Easy as that. Make sure to do this one color at a time and replace your lid when you're done. The ink is premium quality with a German solvent and a Japanese resin and color paste to ensure ink fluency, with a wide color gamut and excellent saturation, which is important if you're printing something as colorful as this. Next, we print out something really colorful. I chose this awesome illustration of David Bowie. This film features 3 times anti-slip, so it glides through the printer evenly, and the printing is very smooth. Once it's printed, we'll add the DTF powder to the back. This powder gives a nice even coat on the ink, which I like, and there's not residual powder on the unprinted areas of the transfer film, so you won't get DTF powder on your shirt, which can look terrible on darker colors. After we cure it for 180 seconds, it's ready to add to a tote bag. Once we get our placement just right, we press. This film has a very strong bond, so your image won't peel, and it doesn't feel tough like some t-shirt prints. This DTF powder and film make the print feel much softer than other inks and films. All in all, I think the CenDale products are pretty darn good. They work well with any DTF printer. You definitely want to make sure that the ink you're using is compatible with your printer. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like my video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link to that below as well. And if you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.